Imagine owning an SUV that never lets you down, one that doesn't eat your savings with surprise repairs or expensive maintenance. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in today's video, we're revealing 11 SUVs you can buy and practically forget about costly repairs. These models have been tested by time, praised by owners, and backed by rock-solid reliability ratings. Whether you want a family hauler, a weekend warrior, or a daily commuter that never quits, this list has you covered. Stick around till the very end, because SUV number 1 is a shocker, a model most people overlook, but mechanics swear by for lasting 300,000 plus miles with ease. Let's dive right in. Number 11, Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate the reliability charts year after year. Its 2.5-liter engine and proven 8-speed transmission are engineered for longevity and efficiency. Owners consistently report reaching 250,000 plus miles with just regular maintenance, oil changes, filters, and brake pads. The hybrid version offers excellent fuel economy without adding complexity that causes problems. Even Consumer Reports ranks it among the top SUVs for reliability and resale value. If you want a small SUV that simply works and keeps working, the RAV4 is a safe, smart, and stress-free choice. Up next, a Honda SUV that's practically bulletproof. Number 10, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of those rare SUVs that feels like it was built to outlast its owners. Its 1.5-liter turbo engine has proven both powerful and dependable when properly maintained. And Honda's CVT transmission is one of the smoothest and most reliable in its class. Interior build quality is excellent. Nothing rattles or breaks easily, even after years of daily driving. With a strong resale value and incredibly low repair frequency, the CR-V remains a top pick for families who want peace of mind. The next one is a Kia that's quietly outlasting even Toyotas in 2026. Number 9, Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has built a rock-solid reputation since its debut. Under the hood, its 3.8-liter V6 engine and simple 8-speed automatic delivers smooth power and unmatched dependability. Kia avoided complicated turbos or hybrids, focusing instead on proven engineering. Owners consistently praise it for zero major issues even after 100,000 miles. Add in the industry-leading 10-year Yori 100,000-mile warranty, and the Telluride becomes one of the best long-term SUVs you can buy. Its luxurious cabin, quiet ride, and strong reliability scores make it the perfect all-rounder. Up next, a Subaru that laughs in the face of bad weather and breakdowns. Number 8, Subaru Forester. If you live where weather gets wild, the Subaru Forester is your best friend. With symmetrical all-wheel drive, excellent ground clearance, and a bulletproof 2.5-liter boxer engine, it handles everything from snow to muddy trails effortlessly. Subaru has refined its CVT and engine seals, solving past issues, and now it's one of the most dependable crossovers on the market. Owners frequently report surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Add outstanding safety ratings, and you've got a rugged SUV built to last. The next SUV might surprise you. It's from Mazda, but it's more reliable than ever. Number 7, Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 delivers a rare combination of reliability, style, and performance. Its SkyActiv G 2.5-liter engine is designed for simplicity and efficiency, meaning fewer parts that can fail. The transmission is rock solid, and even after years of use, the drivetrain stays smooth and responsive. Mazda has also nailed interior build quality. No squeaks, rattles, or cheap plastics. It's consistently rated above Toyota's RAV4 for reliability by J.D. Power. With its sleek design, long lifespan, and reasonable maintenance costs, the CX-5 is one SUV that truly goes the distance. Next up, a hybrid SUV that just won't quit. Number 6, Lexus RX 350h luxury and reliability don't often mix. Except when you're talking about the Lexus RX 350h. Built using Toyota's proven hybrid technology, it blends long-term durability with incredible efficiency. The electric motors and battery system are engineered to last well over 200,000 miles. and major repairs are extremely rare. Owners rave about smooth performance, minimal maintenance, and world-class comfort. Lexus's attention to quality control means every part, from switches to suspension, feels built to last. If you want luxury that won't break down or break the bank, this is it. The next one is an American truck-based SUV tougher than nails. Number 5, Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevy Tahoe is a workhorse SUV with serious staying power. Powered by the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3V8, it's designed for heavy use and long life. Many fleet-owned Tahoes routinely cross 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. The transmission and drivetrain are proven, and replacement parts are affordable and widely available. Unlike many full-size SUVs, it doesn't rely on complex turbo or hybrid systems. If you need a dependable SUV that can tow, haul, and last decades, the Tahoe is one of the best choices out there. Wait till you see what SUV outlasts even this beast. Number 4, Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot shares its DNA with the CR-V but offers even more space in the same bulletproof engineering. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine is one of the most reliable power plants ever built, and owners routinely hit 250,000 plus miles. The transmission has been refined over the years, making it smoother and more durable than earlier models. The Pilot is also simple to maintain. Timing belt changes and fluid services are inexpensive compared to luxury rivals. If you want a 3-row SUV that just keeps going, the Pilot is a top contender. Up next, a Lexus that practically defines long-term dependability. Number 3, Lexus GX460. The Lexus GX460 is built like a tank, literally. Sharing its platform with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, it uses a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 that's known for surviving the toughest conditions. Mechanics often call it the last of the true overbuilt SUVs. There are countless examples running strong at 400,000 plus miles. The transmission and four-wheel drive system are bulletproof, and the build quality is pure Lexus perfection. Yes, it's thirsty on gas, but when it comes to reliability, nothing in its class comes close. Coming up, a mid-size SUV that refuses to die. Number 2, Toyota 4Runner. If you want a vehicle that will outlast civilization itself, buy a Toyota 4Runner. Its 4.0-liter V6 engine and rugged body-on-frame construction have proven themselves over decades. The 4Runner is the definition of old-school reliability. No turbochargers, no hybrids, just pure mechanical toughness. It's beloved by off-roaders, families, and mechanics alike. Even with over 300,000 miles, most 4Runners still run like new. Repairs are rare, parts are cheap, and resale value is unmatched. It's one of the few SUVs that can truly last a lifetime. And finally, number 1 might just surprise you. Number 1, Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V doesn't make headlines, but it quietly outperforms most SUVs in dependability. Its 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine and CVT setup are incredibly simple and low stress, meaning fewer breakdowns. It's small, efficient, and easy to maintain, with parts that are inexpensive and readily available. Owners report virtually no major failures, even beyond 200,000 miles. And it's ranked one of the top subcompact SUVs for reliability by both J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. If you want an affordable SUV that never needs costly repairs, the HR-V is your best bet. And there you have it, 11 SUVs that you can buy and forget about costly repairs. These vehicles prove that peace of mind doesn't have to come with sky-high maintenance bills. Whether you're buying new or used, these models deliver reliability you can truly count on. Which of these SUVs would you trust for the next 10 years? Drop your answer below. I'd love to hear it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Nest, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another video, packed with car advice, reliability rankings, and smart buying tips.